Hello all, good morning. Welcome back to Shri Purnima. So everyone is in the confusion with the coronavirus spreading. So please be safe. So I'm Jyoti. We are in Silasham Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. Today I'm going to show some necklace sets. It's a short necklace sets. All of them are in the discount price. Okay, 20% off from the price whichever I am saying. If I am saying 600 rupees, you will be getting 20% off from 600 rupees. So this is because I am going to stop the jewelries, so that I am giving everything in this clearance, discounted price. So I will show you the close necklaces one by one. Okay. These are all short necklace sets. Okay. Hope you can able to see them pictures clearly. Yeah, it's the first one is CZ matte finish necklace set. This is the neck piece. I will give you the closer look also. So this is the neck piece. The price of this necklace set is 875 and you will be getting 20% discount from this one. So you will be getting around 170 rupees discounted. So the price will be around 600. So this is the jewelry earpiece. So this is the earring and this is the jewelry. So this is the whole set. The actual price is 875. So you will be getting around 160 rupees discount, 20% discount. So please calculate it. So this is the discounted price, 20% discount from 875. This is a CC matte finish necklace set. This is the neck closer look. You have the stones, everything, and the pearls also. So this is neck set number 1, priced at 875. From this you will be getting 20% discount. So I will be moving with the next one. So this is the antique set with pearls again. So this is how the necklace will be looking. So this is the neck piece. So this is priced at 625. So you will be getting around 130 rupees discount from this one. So 625 is the price. I will show you the earrings also. So this is the neck set and this is the earring. This is the closer look of the earring. So this is priced at 625 and you will be getting 20% discount from this one. So hope you can able to see the pictures clearly. This is a second set, set number 2. Please take the screenshot of the set for further inquiries. I have mentioned the WhatsApp number in the description. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. So I have given the direct link also, so that you can able to ping me without saving my number. So this is the third set. This priced at 550. So you will be getting discount around 110. So this is the third set. 550 is the price. You will be getting discount of 110. 20% is the discount. I will give you the closer look of the earring. This is the earring and this is the jewelry. Okay. So this is how the next set will be coming. So please take the screenshot for the inquiries. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra. For jewelries we charge 30 rupees as the shipping charge within Tamil Nadu, and rest of India the shipping charges is 60 rupees. So 30 within Tamil Nadu and 60 rest of India. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost and the shipping cost. So this is the next one. This is priced at 600. So you have 120 rupees discount from 600. So this is a choker type. So this is, I will give you the closer look. This is the choker type and the earring. Okay. So you have 20% discount on all the neck sets, whichever I am showing now, because of the clearance sale. Okay, so this is the next set, priced at 600 and you will be having 20% discount. So COD is available. For jewelries, most of them will be requesting for COD. COD is available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra. So if the product cost is say 480 plus shipping charges plus COD charges will be considered. See, shipping charges is 30 within Tamil Nadu and rest of India it's 60 rupees. Okay. So this is the next one. This one is gold finish necklace set. It's a gold finish. Okay, this is a gold finish with Kasamala type Lakshmi necklace set. So this is how the necklace will be looking. It's a gold finish. Okay, I will give you the closer look of the earring also. So this is priced at 750. So you will be having around 150 rupees discount from this. So 750. You have 20% discount. Please take the screenshot for further inquiries. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. I have mentioned this in the description also. So this is priced at 650. It's an antique finish with stones. So this is the next set. All of them are close necklace sets. Okay, all of them are close necklace sets. So this is how the neck piece will be looking. Because of the clearance purpose, we are giving flat 20% off. So this is the closer look of the earring. Okay. So hope you can able to see the jewelries fully. So this is priced at 650. You have 20% off from 650. Next one is also antique type with mango designs. The earring is very cute. A simple cute earring. So this is a very simple cute mango earring with the stones. Priced at 550. 550. This is how the jewelry will be looking. So I will give you the closer look also. This is a very cute earring. It's 550. You have 10% discount. So the discounted will be around 110 from 550. 440 will be the price. And the next one is again CC matte finish. Sorry, CC antique finish. You have a very lovely jhumka for this one. So it's a very lovely jhumka for this neck set. So this is the jhumka and this is the jewelry. So you have a center stone alone as red color and the rest is a white color stone. So this is how the jewelry set will be looking. The price is 650. So again you have 130 rupees discount from this one. So 650 minus 130 is the price. So 20% discount from whatever the price I have quoted. 650 from and 20% discount. This is a CZ type jewelry set, antique set. So a very lovely jhumka. Okay. And this is a simple neck set. Simple neck set. Priced at 450. And very big earring. It's a stud type earring. Okay, it's a very stud type earring. Very lovely flower shaped earring. So the necklace is very simple, but the earring is very grand. It has the pearl work also. So the price is 450 and you have 90 rupees discount from this one. So 450 minus 90 is the price. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost and the shipping cost. Shipping cost I am repeating 30 rupees within Tamil Nadu for the jewelries alone and 60 rupees within 60 rupees rest of India. 30 within Tamil Nadu and 60 rest of India. So this is priced at 550. It's an antique jewelry set. with red stones. It actually has a dual shade. It's a purple and red shade it will be showing. So this is the earring and this is the neck set. So I will give you the closer look also. So it has a dual shade. It's a purple with red. Okay, sometimes it will shade like a pink and sometimes it will shade like a purple and sometimes it will shade like a red one. So depending upon the lighting. Okay, so it has the three shades together. It's actually a red color. Okay, so this is the one priced at 550. So you will be getting 20% discount. And this is the last in this particular sets. So this is priced at 460. And again a very simple earring with mango. So this is the earring. It's a very simple earring. Okay, and this is the neck set. So this is how the neck set will be there. It has the green and red stones. So this is the neck set, priced at 460. Yes, it's priced at 460, and from 460 you will be having 20% discount. These are all the jewelry collections that we have for today in the stock in the clearance sale. So if anyone wants to book, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870 or inbox me from my page. My page name is Sri Purnima. We are based at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra, as I have told. So we will be dispatching same day. So within 5 PM if the payment is clear, same day dispatch, else next working day will be dispatched. So this is how we do it. So that's all we have for today. Tomorrow I will be coming up with the new sets of saree collections. Okay, so that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Be careful as the coronavirus is spreading everywhere. There is a confusion, so please be safe, take care well. Thanks guys. Thank you for watching.